Here's a funky looking building. I wonder what elevators they got. Union Business Center, it's called. All right, let's see. Ooh, a Continental, nice. Whoa, an impatient Continental. Looks like an older one too. Well, that's a shame. The indicator's fully burnt out. What the fuck? Well, there's the roof. Oh, wow. I really like this little area here. Oh, wow. Look at that. There's downtown Denver and looks like it's cloudy for some reason there. Nice view. We're gonna go film that place next. Is that another? Oh no, that's just the reflection. I'm done. Anyway, get a look at this little area. That's neat. And there's some spectral alerts. Wait a minute, will you? All right, back down. Oh, at least the down arrow works. Actually, I don't know if this thing's a Continental. Usually Continentals say it on them right there. They say Continental or LTEC on them, but not this one, so I don't know. Anyway, oh, let's listen to the motor. We'll hear the motor. Even better, can we see it? No. There's the elevator right there. You could have made it glass, honestly, or they could have. That's it.